Welcome to Legit 5 Picks. If you're searching for the best Sony camera in 2025, whether you're into vlogging, photography, or professional filmmaking, this countdown is for you. We've rounded up the top 5 best Sony cameras that offer outstanding performance, image quality, and features that stand out this year. Stick around to find the perfect one for your needs, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a top tech pick. Number 5. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a game-changer for content creators in 2025, combining full-frame quality with a compact, vlog-friendly design. It features a 12.1 MP full-frame sensor, borrowed from Sony's high-end cinema cameras, delivering exceptional low-light performance and stunning cinematic depth of field. With advanced AI-based subject tracking, real-time IAF, and dynamic image stabilization, the ZV-E1 ensures smooth, sharp footage even on the move. It supports 4K 60 frames per second recording out of the box, with a firmware upgrade unlocking up to 4K 120 frames per second, giving creators more flexibility in post. The fully articulating touchscreen, directional 3-capsule mic, and intuitive vlog-focused interface make it ideal for solo shooters. While it comes at a premium price, the ZV-E1 offers professional-level video capabilities in one of the smallest full-frame packages available, making it a top pick for serious vloggers and filmmakers. Number 4. Sony A7R V. The Sony A7R V is a powerhouse mirrorless camera built for professionals who demand exceptional detail and precision. Featuring a massive 61 MP full-frame sensor, it delivers incredibly sharp and high-resolution images, perfect for landscape, commercial, and studio photography. One of its standout features is the next-gen AI-powered autofocus system, which tracks subjects with remarkable accuracy, whether it's a person, animal, bird, or even vehicles. The 8-stop in-body image stabilization ensures handheld shooting remains sharp, even in challenging conditions. For videographers, the A7R V supports 8K video recording, along with 4K at up to 60 frames per second, providing flexibility and crystal-clear footage. Its robust build, tilting touchscreen, dual card slots, and deep customization options make it a reliable and versatile tool. Simply put, the A7R V is a dream for professionals who want top-tier performance in both photo and video. Number 3. Sony A6100. The Sony A6100 is a solid entry-level mirrorless camera that offers great value for beginners and casual creators. With a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor and fast real-time autofocus, it captures sharp, vibrant images and tracks subjects with ease. It records 4K video with no crop, making it ideal for vlogging and everyday shooting. Its compact size, flip-up screen, and strong battery life make it perfect for on-the-go use. While it lacks in-body stabilization, the A6100 remains a top choice for those stepping into interchangeable lens cameras. Number 2. Sony Alpha 1. The Sony Alpha 1 is a flagship mirrorless camera that delivers unmatched performance for professionals who want it all: resolution, speed, and video power. It features a stunning 50.1 MP full-frame sensor, capable of shooting 30 frames per second bursts with zero blackout, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and high-speed action. Its advanced autofocus system with real-time tracking and IAF is incredibly precise. On the video front, the Alpha 1 supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, offering cinematic quality with rich detail and dynamic range. Built for durability, it has a high-res OLED EVF, dual card slots, and pro-level connectivity options. The Alpha 1 is a true all-in-one powerhouse, perfect for creators who demand top-tier performance in every category. Number 1. Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV is a powerful hybrid full-frame camera, perfect for both photographers and videographers. It features a 33 MP CMOS sensor with excellent detail, fast real-time IAF, and impressive subject tracking. For video, it records 4K at up to 60 frames per second in 10-bit, delivering high-quality footage. With a flip-out screen, dual card slots, and strong battery life, it's a reliable and versatile option for serious creators looking for pro-level features in a well-rounded package. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this list helped you find the right Sony camera for your needs in 2025, whether you're into photography, vlogging, or professional video work. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Legit 5 Picks, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest top picks. And let us know in the comments which Sony camera is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you.